Saving seeds from your garden is a vital skill for any survivalist, ensuring a sustainable food supply. Here's how to do it effectively. First, choose the right plants. Focus on open-pollinated, non-GMO varieties, as they breed true and maintain their characteristics. Hybrid seeds won't work, as they don't produce reliable offspring. Next, let's talk about timing. Harvest seeds when they're fully mature. For vegetables like tomatoes and peppers, this means waiting until the fruits are fully ripe. For flowers, collect seeds once the blooms have dried. Timing is crucial because immature seeds may not germinate properly. Proper seed collection is crucial. For example, with beans or peas, let the pods dry on the plant. For wet seeds like tomatoes, scoop out the seeds and pulp, then ferment in water for a few days to remove the gelatinous coating. This fermentation process helps to prevent diseases and ensures better germination. After harvesting, cleaning the seeds is essential. Dry seeds should be separated from chaff. Wet seeds need thorough rinsing. Once clean, drying the seeds completely is critical to prevent mold. Spread them out on a screen or paper towel in a well-ventilated area. It's best to dry seeds indoors, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their viability. Storage is the next key step. Store seeds in a cool, dark, and dry place. Use airtight containers like mason jars or mylar bags with silica gel packets to keep out moisture. Label each container with the seed type and harvest date. Proper storage can significantly extend the life of your seeds. To maintain a viable seed bank, rotate your stock. Use older seeds first and replenish with new seeds each season. This ensures you always have fresh seeds available. It's also a good practice to test germination rates yearly by sprouting a few seeds from each batch to ensure they are still viable. Creating a survival garden with saved seeds provides numerous benefits. It reduces dependency on commercial seed suppliers and ensures you have food security during uncertain times. Plus, it allows you to select the best performing plants in your specific environment. Over time, you can develop plant varieties that are uniquely suited to your local conditions, enhancing productivity and resilience. Additionally, seed saving fosters a deeper connection to your garden and the cycles of nature. It encourages biodiversity and helps preserve heirloom varieties that might otherwise be lost. By sharing seeds with your community, you also contribute to local food security and sustainability. Remember, saving seeds is more than just a gardening technique. It's a step towards self-reliance and sustainability. It empowers you to take control of your food supply and ensures you have the resources needed to thrive in any situation. Start your seed-saving journey today and secure your food future.